Splash it. There you go, splash it. Yeah. There you go. Check the temperature. Feels good. Looking around a little bit. Oh, yeah. What's this? All right. Daddy, you want to get creative? There you go.
Oh, Joshua, no.
Grab it. Put your hand on it. Come on. Nope, you're not having it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What about that? Here's a little water bug. Here's a little water bug. You like that, huh? Yeah. Splash it up. I'll clean it. I'll clean it up for us.